I'm Courtney Harrigan, your real estate matchmaker here in Louisville, Kentucky, and today we're going to talk about the 4 things you need to buy a home. When people ask me what they need to buy a home, I think that they're usually expecting me to say money, but the first step is actually connecting with a great loan officer. Don't call me up wanting to look at homes without a pre-approval letter, because I'm going to send you straight to the loan officer. Talking to a loan officer even before you're ready is one of the smartest moves you can make. Your loan officer is your financial guide throughout this whole process. Every financial decision you make before and during your home buying process needs to go through your loan officer. They'll help you understand what you can afford, talk you through all your loan options, and they're really just going to set you up for success before you even start to go look at homes. Second thing you need is a job. Lenders want to make sure that you have steady income. So if you're a W-2 employee, for example, a lender is most likely going to ask you for at least 30 days back of pay stubs and the last 2 years of W-2s. If you're a 1099 or self-employed borrower, they're most likely going to want to see the last 2 years of tax returns. Next up, credit. Ideally, you want to have at least a 620 credit score to get approved for a home loan. However, there are options for lower credit scores, so don't let that stop you. The average homeowner stays in their home between 5 and 8 years, so it's important to stay in touch with your loan officer anyways, especially if they knocked it out of the ballpark for you during your first transaction, because you want to know that when you're ready to upsize, you can actually afford that upsize. Finally, yes, you do actually need some money. And if you haven't done it already, go check out my video where I break down the out-of-pocket expenses that you'll need to buy a home. In addition to the money that you need to actually purchase the home, I would definitely recommend having a little nest egg set aside, because what if you want to redo the floors? What if you want to take the kids to Disneyland this year? So that's it. The 4 things you need to buy a home: a loan officer, steady income, decent credit, and a little bit of money. The process can feel overwhelming at first, but if you have the right team in your corner, you can start to build wealth through real estate. If you're thinking about buying a home, I'd love to get you connected with a great loan officer so that we can get you set up for success. I'm Courtney Harrigan, your real estate matchmaker here in Louisville, Kentucky, and I hope to talk to you soon.